We're going to go straight to the phone lines
Let's
tonight.
do
Our
it.
topic, Ask Us Anything. And we have Charlie from Birmingham on the line with us tonight. Charlie, how can we help?
Yes, I retired in 2005. I was told that I couldn't draw Social Security from a retirement that didn't give Social Security at the time. I was eligible for about $700. I get $200 and some dollars out of this $700. My wife died 3 years ago. She gave me $900 and some dollars widow's pension, which is 200 and something more than mine. They are still using my salary to determine how much I can draw on my Social Security. But it's everywhere I hear I'm supposed to be able to choose the higher of the two. They are not allowing me to do that. I should be getting at least $200 more, but they are still using my first salary from the government. That was that windfall that they came out with. They were trying to save Social Security.
Any recourse for him or steps you would advise him to take to?
I'd get an attorney that deals with Social Security. He may be entitled to some payback if that information is correct that he's saying, which I believe that's probably correct at that point. But the Social Security Department usually works with you, and they'll make a predetermination of who to draw off of either you or your wife's, depending who's going to get the most money. Obviously, you've been retired for a lot of years. There's an obvious, between your pension and Social Security, there's some differentials that has to take in consideration. But now that your wife has died, then in turn you need to see which one you can draw from. I would not take the Social Security office for granted, since that's your monthly income that you're living off of. I would contact an attorney, and there's a lot of them in Birmingham that deal specifically with Social Security, and they can answer your question, direct you to the right individual, and assist you if you need that help.
You know, Marcus, Social Security Administration has a department, and they have benefit authorizers in that department, and you can call them. Now, you may have to wait on the line a minute, but you can call them and you can tell them what's going on with you, and these benefit authorizers, they're called BAs, can look at your record and tell you whether you're being paid correctly, how you were to be paid, whether you can change what your situation is. And then if you're not being paid right, I agree with you, Marcus, he may have some back benefits that you may want to talk to a lawyer about once you've talked to the Social Security Administration.
And I believe that is correct, and I would assume he's exhausted some of that with the knowledge he has. But if he's not, it's a free service that doesn't cost you anything at this point. I'd utilize that.
I would.
Awesome, awesome.